The 2015-2021 Kia Sedona key fob uses a CR2032 battery. Replacing it is an easy DIY task, saving you time and money. You'll need a new CR2032 battery around $2 to $3 and a small flathead screwdriver or coin. The whole process should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure your car is off and the keys aren't inside to prevent accidental lockouts. This process has remained the same since the car model's release, ensuring the guide will be relevant for years to come. First, locate the small notch on the back of the key fob. Gently pry it open with your screwdriver or coin. Be careful not to force it to avoid cracking the plastic. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side faces up. It is usually positive side up. Insert the new battery with the correct orientation. Snap the fob back together firmly. Test the fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons. If it doesn't work, check for corrosion or make sure the battery isn't expired. Experts say this is an easy task with a high success rate for first-timers, but be careful and avoid using excessive force.